The Bridges of Madison County, a novel by Robert James Waller published in 1992, is a poignant story of love and loss that explores the complexities of human relationships and the choices that define our lives. Set against the backdrop of rural Iowa in the 1960s, the novel delves into themes of passion, regret, and self-discovery through its central characters and their dramatic encounter. The plot centers on Francesca Johnson, a lonely Italian-American housewife living on a farm with her husband and 2 children. Her life, marked by routine and a sense of unfulfilled dreams, takes a dramatic turn when National Geographic photographer Robert Kincaid arrives in Madison County to photograph its historic covered bridges. Francesca's world changes as she meets Kincaid, and an unexpected and intense romance unfolds over the course of 4 days. Waller's narrative is both understated and deeply emotional, capturing the nuances of a brief but life-altering affair. Francesca and Robert's connection is described with a kind of lyrical intimacy that reflects their deep emotional and physical bond. Despite their strong feelings for each other, Francesca is faced with a heart-wrenching choice: to leave her family and follow Robert or to stay and uphold her responsibilities. The tension between personal desire and familial duty is a central theme in the story. The novel is also a reflection on the nature of memory and storytelling. The story is revealed through the lens of Francesca's diary entries, which are discovered by her children after her death. These entries allow readers to understand the depth of her feelings and the impact of her choices. The diary serves as a testament to Francesca's internal struggles and the significance of her brief affair with Robert. The Bridges of Madison County also explores the concept of missed opportunities and the paths not taken. Francesca's decision to stay with her family, despite her profound love for Robert, highlights the sacrifices many make for the sake of duty and security. It raises questions about the price of commitment and the consequences of choosing one's responsibilities over personal happiness. Waller's writing is often characterized by its simplicity and emotional resonance. The novel's style reflects the quiet, introspective nature of Francesca's life and her internal conflicts. The prose is evocative, painting a vivid picture of the rural setting and the character's emotional landscape. This straightforward yet poignant approach allows readers to connect deeply with the characters and their experiences. The novel's impact extends beyond its narrative. It became a bestseller and was adapted into a successful 1995 film directed by Clint Eastwood, starring Meryl Streep and Clint Eastwood. The film adaptation helped to further popularize the story and introduced it to a broader audience. Streep's portrayal of Francesca, in particular, was widely acclaimed for its depth and sensitivity. Despite its commercial success, The Bridges of Madison County has also faced criticism. Some readers and critics have found the story overly sentimental or simplistic, arguing that it romanticizes infidelity and overlooks the practical realities of the characters' lives. Others have questioned the depth of the characters and the believability of their emotional journey. Nevertheless, the novel's exploration of universal themes, love, choice, and the search for meaning, resonates with many readers. It prompts reflection on the nature of relationships and the ways in which our choices shape our lives. The story's emphasis on the transformative power of love, even when it is fleeting, underscores the idea that profound experiences can occur in the most unexpected moments. In essence, The Bridges of Madison County is a compelling narrative about the intersection of love and duty. It invites readers to consider the complexities of human emotions and the impact of choices made in the pursuit of happiness. The novel's enduring popularity can be attributed to its ability to touch on fundamental aspects of the human experience, making it a timeless story that continues to resonate with audiences around the world.